This is Lily Rose. We brought her home the day she turned 6 weeks old. One of the very first things she did the second day she was home was to climb up on the couch all by herself. Golden Retriever puppies grow so fast, so I know in about 3 months' time she'll be about 3 times this size. She's so gorgeous. I just love looking at her. I'm going to try to remember to video her as much as I possibly can, because I know that she's going to grow so fast that in a few months it will be hard to remember that she was ever this small little puppy. She has a white spot right there on top of her forehead and one on the right paw. We've been told that these might go away over time, and we really hope not because we think they're just so cute. We will also be getting a male golden retriever puppy very soon because we want her to have a life partner. Now she needs some more outside time so she can get acclimated to her new yard.